With the high winds causing a lot of damage around the region last night, it's also affecting the lakefront. According to reports from the scene, the water from the shoreline made its way to a lot of doors of houses there, causing flooding to the ground floors. Westlake Fire Department, Erie Police, they've been responding to the scene. According to Westlake Fire Department, National Fuel Gas crews shut down gas lines to the area. Fire crews did their best to help evacuees with getting temporarily relocated.
Had a water rescue techs go out and search each condo and make sure everyone's out. Once they were out, we took them back to our fire station, which is a warming shelter. And if they did not have residents or family friends to go to, we have the Red Cross assisting us for them to have a place to stay.
Well, there's no word on when the residents all will be able to return to their homes. There is also flooding near the Sheraton Hotel and restaurant surrounding the bayfront. Jocelyn Person joining us now live from Dobbins Landing to tell us what things look like this morning. Good morning, Jocelyn.
Good morning, Dave. Well, the owners of these businesses have a lot of cleaning up to do since the winds pushed the water underneath their business. Now, flooding in this area has continued to be an issue over the years. Rising water levels have caused flooding several times. It's too early to tell at this point just how much damage there will be inside these businesses. But it's sure to be a headache for the owners of places like the Sheraton and Smuggler's Wharf. Now, of course, we will continue to bring you the latest on any storm damages in our area. Reporting live from Dobbins Landing, I'm Jocelyn Person. Dave, back to you.
A lot of cleanup going on today. Thank you, Jocelyn.